Miranda isn't gonna be in this one because she thinks it's so creepy. But it's currently 3 a.m. I'm sorry, I don't have proof that it's actually 3 a.m. because my phone is dead. Oh wait, it's dead. Oh wait, never mind, it's about to die. YouTube? Miranda, who is this? Ah. Sorry guys, my phone just died. I'm gonna make fluffy slime. Okay, so this is out of shaving foam. Just mix the plain glue. Oops. It's way too much.
Maddie, I'm going to bed.
What?
I'm going to bed.
Okay.
You've been up for like
All night, waiting for it to be 3 a.m.
Yeah, I'm going to bed.
Okay, good night. Okay guys, I'm gonna make this yellow. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, I'll be right back. Okay guys. Miranda, did you do this?
What? No.
So guys, you know how I made it yellow? Well, look, it's nasty. It's like, that's nasty. No. It's nasty. Whoa.
Maddie, what is going on?
I don't know. Guys,
The TV just shut off. Just me. Okay.
thankfully it was Miranda's sister. Back from guys, this is like super scary. Oh, hello.
Hey, Adam.
Miranda's sister's back from work.
What is that? Sadly, something just happened. There's like the lights. It's 3 a.m. and you're just getting back from work.
It's actually like 3:30 though.
Yeah, because
3 something. This is like super nasty, guys. Guys. This is nasty. Guys, where'd you go? Guys. Oh, guys. Look. Everything is knocked over. Oh my God. Ew, it's even grosser now. It's like, oh, that's nasty. Look at it, it's like even darker, you guys. This is scary. I'm getting really scared. Sorry guys, my wrist hurts. Oh, that demon's gonna get it when the Ghostbusters come. This is really scary. Nothing's wrong with this one. Guys, where'd that slime go? Miranda. Miranda, get up. Miranda. Guys, Miranda isn't waking up. Guys, this is really scary.